Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you all of you where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Today video is a very short video, but this video is very important for all of you. If your channel is monetized and if you are a new YouTuber. As you know, from the beginning of this year, YouTube going to announce different updates. The major or important update of YouTube is regarding monetization of short. From February to onward, your revenue from your short videos started. This was the first major update from the YouTube, and now another update is announced from YouTube 2 or 3 days ago. This update is very useful for all of us. What's the update? When you upload some video on your channel and on that video you got copyright claim. So in this situation you have to open your account in some browser form in your mobile phone. I mean the desktop version of Google Chrome browser. Or the second option is you have to open your account on some laptop or desktop computer. So then you will given the 4 different options. First one is appeal, second one is you can mute the background music or audio. You can replace, the third one option is you can replace with some other music or audio. The fourth one is trim option. What is the update here? Now the update is from now to onward, YouTube team is start working on this problem, and the solution of this problem is in the next few weeks in our YouTube Studio app a new option will be introduced, and from the new option we can handle such kind of situation mean when we will get a copyright claim on our video. So in this situation we can mute, we can appeal, we can trim, we can replace music from our YouTube Studio app. So this is the update from YouTube. So this video is very important for me. This update is really amazing from YouTube. So that's all about in today's video. See you soon in some next video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. Okay, Allah Hafiz.